This is Simone, and today we're gonna do a Frida Kahlo, Andy Warhol inspire. That I'm gonna silk screen the canvas, but I'm gonna use make some flowers on the top, and I inspired by Andy Warhol because they have the new show in SF MoMA, and it's about Andy Warhol, and I thought it was interesting to make a Frida Kahlo Andy Warhol inspire. So let's do this. First, I put a gesso here. It's gonna be all white, so I'm gonna put white paint before I silk screen, and I'm using this flow acrylic. I'm gonna let dry the white after I pass it, and then I'm gonna do the silk screen. I am on the floor because this canvas is kind of big, 16 by 20, and I was trying to film at the table, but it was not working. So bear with me. The white is dry, so now I'm gonna put the silk screen. And I'm gonna paint. I'm gonna use black paint. And I'm gonna use the squidge, the same one I used to do my bags. Okay. I'm gonna let dry, and then I'm gonna do the colors. I'm gonna make the colors. I have 4 colors and 1 white, and we're gonna do the colors as soon as this dry. Now it's almost dry, so I'm gonna continue. I mix these colors, half and a half in this tube, and I'm gonna do the flowers with half with the Mod Podge. Okay, so you guys get a tube, put a half paint, half Mod Podge, and shake it. And over here they have half white and half Mod Podge. I got this is a small tube I got in a dollar store, and this one is for food. If you go to the food supply store, you can get these big ones. So I'm gonna put it is the white, because I'm gonna make a lot of flowers here, and I need to be wet. Now I'm gonna blow them. Okay, I'm gonna let dry. I thought I was taping, but I forgot about this, so I picked up this, put some paint on it, and I twist it. Well, I'm gonna let dry. I hope you guys like it, and it's Andy Warhol is 16 by 20. It's kind of big, so I'm gonna let dry, and that's it. I hope you guys can give it a try, and thank you very much. I really appreciate it.